This is like you have been able to see the matrix for the first time. You can see all the variables in your debugger. Alright, hello everybody. This is Majibit Games and this is a special tutorial about how to make those labels appear in your Mesen debugger. I believe that not so many NESMakers know about how this Mesen label extractor works. So let's jump right into it and go to NESMaker forums. You can find the label extractor by searching it here. Mesen label extractor, and this is work of a guy named Jorotroid. So great thanks to him. This has had really big impact on my development process. It's mind-blowing how much of the debugging you can do if you have these labels turned on. Okay, so just download this file, save it somewhere, wait for it to download, and then open. It's easy, you just have to extract the contents of this package to your project folder. I use an example of my byte of game over here, and be sure that it's in your game engine data folder. Press OK, and then it will ask you want to replace some files. Say yes, and say yes again, and now you have this extractor installed. Then just open your NESMaker and build your game. But first I would like to show you what are the variables. Your own variables are in here, user variables. As you can see, here are some of the variables my game uses, and there are also object variables. All these become visible after you have put the Mesen label extractor. Alright, so it's just you just have to start the build process. You know, it takes a little bit more time when the extractor is working, but it's like maybe 5 seconds or something. So, and I think you get used to it when you use the extractor a lot. Alright, so here's the game. Full screen maybe. And you can get to debugging window by pressing Ctrl D. Let's press it now. And then you have to go to File, Workspace, and Import Labels. And from there you go to your, this is wrong folder. I have to go this. Go to your project's game engine data, and there you can find this game.mlb file. Just click it and it imports all the labels you have in your project. Press OK, and then you can go to this search magnifying glass over here and just type what do you want to search for. Maybe cars owned. It's 0 at the point, and when you go find your variable, press it, click it with your mouse and press F1, and it opens the variable in the memory tools window. Then you can see all your variables. All the NESMaker variables are here side by side in the same order as you have put them in your NESMaker editor. So it's really easy to check every variable. Here is for example this cars owned variable. I can put it as 1. Oh, sorry. put this as 1, and you see if I go to the game, this is unlocked, and okay, it's not working. I don't remember, should I put the byte or something over there? Maybe it's should be 2. Unlocked and unlocked. Yes, the first one is this car, and second one is this car. It's unlocked, and now you can see this is locked. If I go to tools, I can change this variable to 3. No. 4. Okay. I don't remember the logic exactly how it does it, but now you can see it becomes unlocked when I change this variable. And before this, it would have been a real pain to debug everything without knowing the exact position in memory where these variables are located. There are also some other nice things to do. You can search the NES Maker variables that come with the engine. For example, if you want to search which is the current screen, you can search for cam screen, and it shows its screen number 7A in hex, of course. Then if you go and change the screen, it's easier to put it side by side, change the screen, you can see the cam screen also changes. This corresponds to your NES Maker layout over here. As you can see, here's the current screen we are currently on. It's 6A, and the numbers go like 0, 1, there's a double screen, so it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and from the left is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and A, and B, C, D, E, F, etc. So you can have some checks in your code that if you're in some kind of special screen, you can do some stuff, maybe. And another great thing is that you can search for all of the object variables, like your player's position on screen. This game doesn't have a player object, but if it had, its position would be this. It's object number 0 for the player most of the cases, and these are enemy objects, the next ones. This is also always determined by the by which enemy is on the screen first. The first enemy is this number 1, the second is number 2, but when this enemy dies, this enemy stays number 2, and the next enemy that will spawn will take place of this free spot over there. So only location you can trust with this is usually the player, which is always 0 if you haven't done anything special for your code. Okay, maybe there's some other things we can do. You know, there are all the variables. This is like you have been able to see the matrix for the first time. You can see all the variables in your debugger. Maybe I can show a real example of how this code works. If we go to game, let's pick this, go to game. So here is a little tech behind the game also. You can see cam X is over here and it's 0. If I move the player, it moves the camera. So there is this trick that moves the camera every time I press left or right. Okay, I think this would be enough for this subject, and I hope this was helpful. See you next time, and have fun making your own NES games.